Oh no! What did the wicked monkey do to you? Now what would Lord Chaos do? Wait, what's that? Plan C? Right, okay. Initiate Plan C! Turn back before it's too late! Though it's probably too late already.
Evil Glumshanks.
Yes! My butler days are over! I now have powers I didn't even know I had! Full speed ahead! You're too late, Skylander! No! I know! I'll get rid of these pesky spikes! It's time we put a stop to the Skylanders meddling! I can control machines with my mind now! I now have powers I didn't even know I had! I'm finally worthy! Yes, they are very tricky, aren't they? The spikes need to go away. Oh, what would Lord Chaos do? No, I've got it. Minions, stop the Skylanders! Ah.
Archean Knuckle Duster.
Lord Chaos isn't gonna like this at all! Yes! Yes! Those spikes are dangerous! All of you metal bits and pieces, get in here! Stop trying to escape me! Those spikes are dangerous! might even be more powerful than Lord Chaos! But don't tell him I said that. Machines with my mind now. Full speed ahead, evil Glumshanks. I can control machines with my mind now. Pull yourself together, Glumshanks. You can do this. You're evil enough now. You want to go back to washing Chaos's dirty socks? This is it. This is your shout. Ah, who am I kidding?
Portal Master, rank up.
Glumshanks? What are you doing here? Say, Glumshanks, you look different somehow. I don't know. Less evil. Ah! What's happening?
Chaos! Why have you summoned me?
Huh? Me? Glumshanks, what did you do?
Oh, Master, I didn't...
You've been careless, Chaos. Now prepare to meet your...
What? My what?
Your...
Is it my doom? It's not my doom, is it?
Your...
Mother!
Mother! Of course! I see you haven't lost your flair for the dramatic. I suppose you think that was funny.
Hilarious, actually. You should have seen your face. Oh, hello, Glumshanks, dear. I see my son is still mistreating you.
Yeah, blah, blah. What do you want, Mother? I am very busy.
Oh, lighten up, Chaos. What's the point of being so deliciously evil if you can't enjoy it? You know, when I attacked the Cloudbreak Islands, I did it with an evil smile on my face.
Ugh, that was 100 years ago. Besides, you failed.
Failed? Ha! Because of me, the Skylanders were banished, leaving the Cloudbreak Islands completely unprotected for years. You know, Chaos, you told me your plan was going to be simple, but your all-out invasion has called far too much attention, and now the Skylanders are back.
She's got a point, Master.
Silence! I will succeed in conquering the Cloudbreak Islands, and I'll do it my own evil way. Thanks for calling, Mother, and sharing your insufferable mother too.
Chaos,
I thought that went very well, sir.
All-out invasion. I'll show her an all-out invasion. Call out my pirate Greebles!